heard that Madrid Nightlife is one of the best in all Europe, so I have come here to see whether this is true or not. So we have started our night here in Madrid, so if you want to see what it's like the nightlife, stay until the end of this video. Let's go! So we begin our night here in this place which is called Enbabia. So I have actually joined a pub crawl like I have done in videos like in China, South Korea. So if you haven't watched those, go and watch them now. So yeah, in here is the meeting point, and yeah, with your ticket it includes you some shots, but also you have the option to buy 2 beers for 10 euros. So it's cheaper than the actual price in the place. This place is a bit cheesy, so this is just the meeting point. So I hope it gets better than what it is right now. It's really quiet. People in Madrid usually goes outside for some tapas, drinks, and then they go for the nightclub. So look how pretty the bartender is. From Venezuela, actually. Say hello to all the people from Venezuela. So come to Madrid, you see pretty girls like her. So far very good taste here at Enbabia Library Club, and it's that from the beginning I got really nice service from that girl from Venezuela. You go here people from all over the world, of course a lot of Spanish speakers. Go a DJ here, and what I like is that they put a lot of reggaeton. And I actually thought that these are all fake books, but they are all real actually. So the theme of this place is that it's like a big library in which people come to study, but they actually don't come to study, they come to drink and have a really good time. Monetary international system, very interesting. So you can come here, have fun, and also read some books. Just drinking my second beer now, so 2 for 10 even. You need to take the offer at the door, and yeah, of course, given by the beautiful bartender I showed you earlier. She's so fun. So far so fun here at the very first place here in Madrid. Enbabia, of course, people coming to take some pictures here. Okay guys, so we have here one of the most beautiful girls of Madrid I ever seen. She's from Venezuela. I want to ask her a question. If someone wants to take you out here in Madrid, what he has to do, what she needs to do?
Tengo novio, así que no saldría con nadie.
So she has a boyfriend. That was just the meeting point. It was fun. It was good for having a couple of beers and a shot. And to me, the really nice bartenders for the bar. So we are in our way for the next place, which I have no idea what is it about. We are a lot of people. We are around 50 people going in this pub crawl. So I hope it's fun. Let's go. Okay, guys. So for our next place, what's the name of this place?
It's called Hood Dog.
Look, our very beautiful guide.
Hello, my name is Sarah.
She's from
Finland.
So we get also included a shot over here. What is it?
It's vodka apple pie.
Salud.
Cheers.
Thank you.
I will have to.
It's actually good.
I'm happy you liked it. Some people they don't like it.
It was good. So guys, for the second place, after we have the shot with the beautiful guide girl, she's so beautiful, we have come here to the place which is called the Planet Club. Although there is a really nice vibe because they're playing Venezuelan salsa, there is a huge queue to order. I don't like this. Guys, it's Saturday night. If you know you're gonna have a lot of people, why don't you put extra bars? There is a bar by the entrance and it's closed. Put a bloody extra bar so that people can drink. So this place, thumbs down. I don't like it.
Estoy de vacaciones aquí en Madrid, la verdad, primer club. La primera que me toca pero una copa. Se me da una puta copa, mal.
So in here also I have taken the, like promotion of 2 beers for 10 euros, which is not too bad. I can see that the bartender, although she's very, very slow, she's very pretty. Very, very pretty. This place, actually, they have a lot of reggaeton, salsa, merengue, some pretty girls as well. Very, very fun. Okay, so this place wasn't the best. It's not my favorite. I prefer the one we were before at. So I have high hopes for the next ones. I mean, we got still a whole night here in Madrid, guys. But it's not bad. It's fun. Nice people, beautiful girls, nice guy, cheap drinks. What can I wish more? This is just amazing. It's wonderful. Let's see what it's next. So for the next place we have come, it's called Manama. And it's very good vibe. As soon as we arrive, they put patia, 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 patia. So it's pretty busy. It's really good vibe.
Yo creo que el pub crawl se vende solo. Entrada de chubito gratis.
Alright, everyone should come to the pub crawl Madrid if you want to have the best night and have fun and have free shots the whole night.
So, you hear that, guys? You have a very nice guy. Come to the Pacro. It's really, really fun here in Madrid. And of course, we have our free shot. I ordered cacique, and I have ordered also cacique from the bartender. Guys, and suddenly one of the guys, she became like a witch of drinks, so she's giving drinks to everyone. Woo! Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy.
That moment in a night when everything starts to get blurry, but somehow the vibes are at their peak. Yes, this was the next place. Welcome to Samsara, Madrid, the final stop of the pop crawl, and honestly, the one that completely took over the night. By the time we got here, I'm not even gonna lie, I was already a little gone. Okay, maybe more than a little, but the second you walk in, boom, you are not just entering a club, you are entering chaos, the good kind. The first thing they do, shots, and not just the polite little welcome drink. No, they come at you fast, trace people shouting, music blasting. It's like you don't even have time to think. Before you realize, you have taken 2, 3, maybe 4 shots, and suddenly you're part of the party. This place doesn't warm up slowly, it hits you instantly. What I love about Samsara, it's the energy non-stop. You got all types of music playing, reggaeton, commercial hits, a bit of everything, and the crowd super mixed. Local, tourists, people from all around the world. Everyone just here having fun, a really good time. No pressure, no stress, just vibes, and you can feel it. People dancing like they don't care, laughing, jumping, singing. At some point, I don't even remember what song was playing anymore, but I remember the feeling, the kind of night where you're like, this is exactly why I travel, because it's not just about the place, it's about the moments, the random conversations, the crazy energy, and the crazy moments, of course. So definitely it was a really fun for the ending of this pop crawl. Samsara, Madrid. I leave you with some of the clips of me dancing, which I actually don't even remember.
And another place I highly recommend you to come for nightlife here in Madrid. This one I found out by myself. It's called Calle 365, and basically the whole place is transformed into Puerto Rico. So every year they put a different topic. The topic of this year is Puerto Rico, and right now they are doing salsa lessons. So you can come here and have some salsa lessons. The entry fee is 16 euros, but it includes you a massive cocktail like the one I'm showing you right now. So pretty good vibe, and right there you got the casita of Bad Bunny, and that's the teacher. Pretty good vibe, really good environment here at Calle 365. So let's go and dance together.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 y 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
So it doesn't matter whether you are an expert, a beginning, or medium level. This is a really good place. As you can see, everyone just enjoying, having a really good time, learning how to dance salsa. And you see the whole place is become in Puerto Rico. So the cocktails are not cheap at all, but they are really, really fancy and really nice for pictures, and they make all the smoke. So really, really nice vibe. So after the lessons are finished, they're gonna put the DJ, which is gonna be playing until really late. So really good recommendation when coming to Madrid. Come to Calle 365.
That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to give a like, to subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite part or club of this nightlife video of Madrid. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next adventure. Travel wonderful.